Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to round up in Excel. Let's get started. Suppose you want to round up a value in column B to a specific number of decimal places or make it a whole number. Follow the simple steps. Click into cell C3. Begin by entering the equal sign. Type in the function ROUNDUP. Open a bracket to include two essential components. The first component is the cell containing the number you wish to round up. Click on cell B3. Then insert a comma to separate the two components. Next, input the second value, which determines the number of decimal places in the result. If you want to round up to one decimal place, type 1. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Excel will display the result in C3, the number from B3 rounded up to one decimal place. For rounding to two decimal places, simply use 2 in the function and Excel will perform the task accordingly. You can use positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on to round up to any desired number of decimal places. To round a number up to make it a whole number, input 0 in the function. Excel will round the original value up to the nearest whole number. Now, if you want to round a number up to tens or hundreds, which means moving to the left from the decimal point, you need to use negative numbers in the formula. Be sure to include a minus sign with the number in parentheses. Here are a couple of examples. To round up to the nearest 10, enter -1 into the formula. And here comes the result. To round up to the nearest hundreds, type in -2. Excel will swiftly provide the result you seek. That's the beauty of this function. It empowers you to round up numbers as needed. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.